Winston and Millie love Valentine's Day. Oh, hi! My name is B, like the letter B. And this is Mr. Butterfly, and we are waiting for our friend Mayta to wake up from his nap so we can make a Valentine's Day card. Do you know who Mayta is? Mayta is a brown bear that lives in this forest. I have an idea. Why don't we wake Mayta up from his nap and together we can make a Valentine's Day card. Mayta! Are you up from your nap yet? Where are you, Mayta? It's Mayta! Did you have a good nap? You did? Well, Mayta, Mr. Butterfly and I just finished our book about Valentine's Day. Do you know what color this book is? That's right. It's purple. Mayta, just like the color of your sweater and the color of my hat. Oh, all right. Listen, we have a lot of friends here today, and together we are going to make Valentine's Day cards. Do you know what Valentine's Day is? It's a day where we celebrate the love we feel for our friends and family. I have an idea. Mayta, would you like to make a Valentine's Day card for your mom? You would? Would you like to learn how to make a Valentine's Day card for your mom or dad or papa or grandma or grandpa, your brother or sister, your classmates, or anyone who is special in your life? You would? Do you hear that? No? Well, listen harder. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. Whoa, Mayta, look at all this fun stuff. All right. Thank you, idea train. All right, Mayta. First we have a red piece of construction paper. We will put that right here. Then we have some colorful markers. We'll put them over there. And some colorful crayons. All right, put those over there. Some glue. All right. Wow, Mayta, look. Some colorful puffballs. Woo. All right, let's put those right there. And Mayta, we have some sparkly heart stickers. Okay, put those right there. Move the glue over. Make some room for the hearts. Okay, first we're going to take our red piece of construction paper and fold it in half. Okay, so you take it like this. You fold up the edges so they meet. And then you make a crease. Whoop, whoop. Okay, this is now our card. You see that? It opens and closes. All right, so on the front of the card, we are going to write to Mom. Okay, Mayta? All right, so we will take our blue marker. Mayta, I'm going to help you out here. And you are going to write to Mom. T-O. Good, Mayta. M. Good. O-M. Wow, nicely done, Mayta. Look, it says to Mom. All right, so let's put our marker, excuse me, right over there. Now we are going to take our glue and we are going to trace the shape of a heart around the letters. All right, Mayta, watch me do it. Here we go. Whoa. And then we'll go over over here. Whoa. Do you see that? We drew a heart with our glue around the letters. All right. So let's close that glue up and put it over here. Now we are going to take our puff balls and we are going to stick them to the front of the card. Are you ready, Mayta? All right, so we'll just stick them on like that. And you can do whatever color you want to do. There we go. So now, remember, push down a little bit and make sure all your puff balls are sticking to the front of your card. And it should look like this. See that? We made a heart around the words to Mom. Do you know what time it is? It's time to dance. This is where we stop what we're doing, stand up, and dance. You can do whatever dance move you feel like doing. It's the idea train! And look, it's Pinky the Boombox. Hi, Pinky the Boombox. All right. Thank you, idea train. All right. Put Pinky right here. Pinky the Boombox plays our music. We take this golden cassette tape and we put it in here and we close it up. Then we push the play button, the button with the triangle on it. Are you ready to dance? You are? Okay, I'm going to push the play button now. Whoa! That was a lot of fun. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, so now we are going to decorate the inside of the card. So let's take our crayons. We will pull out some different colors. We have blue, green, and red. Does that sound good, Mayta? Yes? All right. Let's open our card. Mayta, why don't you color on the inside? Okay, here we go. Whoa, you're doing a good job, Mayta. Okay, I'll give you the green crayon. And wow! Nice, Mayta. Whoa. Okay. And then the red crayon. All right. Whoa. All right. Now we're going to take a blue marker and write, I love you. Okay. All right, Mayta. I'll have you do this. I'll help you out. Let's open it up. And we write, whoa, love, whoa, good job, Mayta, you. Wow, okay, good job, Mayta. Put the marker back over here. I will show you what Mayta did on the inside. Whoa, look at that. He did some coloring, and then over the coloring, he wrote, I love you. Mayta, we can do one more thing to make this card extra pretty. We'll put some stickers on it. Would you like to do that, Mayta? Yeah? Okay. So we'll take our glittery heart stickers, put them right here, and we'll just peel the back off like this. Whoop. And we'll stick them right on there, just like that. Wow, look at that. Whoa, you see that? That is pretty neat. Wow, that was really fun making a Valentine's Day card for Mayta's mom. Now you know how to make a Valentine's Day card for someone you love. I hope you have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day. Grown-ups, if your kids like this video, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps our channel grow and it allows us to make more videos. Now we've received requests to make very specific videos, which is awesome. If you or your kid has an idea for a video, please leave it in a comment below this video. Let us know what you would like to see. And remember, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye!